So my name is Veronica Cresbo. My doctor is Dr. Landfair. He was my total knee revision surgeon. My prior surgery, total knee replacement, was back in 2022 in another facility, which did not turn out right. It was a roller coaster at that facility. I wasn't able to get better. I lost my insurance, got a new insurance, and with that being said, I found here, Orthopaedic Medical Group, and it's been great since. Dr. Landfair has been great. I call him my favorite doctor. My primary was my favorite. He left the practice, he retired, and now Landfair became my favorite doctor. Dr. Landfair, not only does he listen, he pays attention, he answers all my questions, and he's just has great memory to remember everything. Like, even my husband comes with me, he even knows what my husband's being treated for, and it's not even his doctor. So great doctor, great experience. In January, I started here, and ever since then, it's been great. I have nothing but best things to say about everyone here. I think I've gone through all the therapists here, and they've all been great. It's a 360. I can walk without having the struggle that I did before. I dragged my foot for 2 years, literally, and it's just a 360. I'm still in therapy, yes, months later, but doesn't mean that I'm not better. It's a 360 experience from where I was to where I am now. Orthopaedic Medical Group changed my quality of life. So definitely come on in and see someone here at the doctor's office, for real. And here as in therapy as well. Choose This Therapy location is not only convenient, it's next door. It's just, everybody here is just personable. They remember you by name. The therapy, even what you don't ask for, you get. So here I am with my ice on, and it's great. It's great.